What exactly is meditation? How do you define it? There's so many people, you know, doing nothing, doing everything, focus, etc.
Yeah,
What's your take on it?
you know, the way you started this discussion or going deeper into meditation, what you said is that's what it is. It is everything and it is nothing. So, but when I have a client to explain what is meditation, it's basically yoga. Yoga is meditation. It's engulfs both. A lot of people think yoga is just asana practice.
Right.
Meditation is yoga, like Patanjali's 8 limbs, dhyan, dharana, dhyan, samadhi.
Right.
That is a person who has already practiced asana, got comfortable in their body. The yam niyam first, of course, the precepts of social and personal living, and then the pratyahar and the ishwar paridhan. So dhyan dharana, the meditation, is a subtler form of yoga. It's not that you give up any of these. You keep practicing to go into a subtle or deeper state of, into your subconscious to create those shifts. Why do we create the shifts? To find our awakening, seeking, that is the unity with the higher conscious.
And for inner peace and calm? Right.
Of course, that comes, that is part of the package.